Just wanted to do a little short on Gale Force Tactical Custom Kydex holsters. Let me tell you, Billy does great work, and I plan on going back to him. As long as I live in here in Virginia Beach, I will be going back to Billy to do my holsters. Holsters are amazing. Kydex, comfortable fit, and he's a wizard. He can basically do whatever you want. And if he can't, he'll figure out a way. I'm pretty damn sure of it. Retention is good. The quality of the Kydex is good. And the fit. I love it.